Big tech often hogs all the headline. But so far this year, large-cap value stocks, those that typically trade lower to book value in earnings and have slower growth rates, have been outperforming growth stocks. The policy turnaround by the Federal Reserve towards stifling inflation has led to significant declines for many technology stocks that trade at high multiples to earnings. Read, Microsoft bets on the metaverse with $69 billion deal for Activision Blizzard. But what might surprise you is that large-cap value stocks as a group are expected to increase earnings per share more quickly than growth stocks this year and for the 2 years through 2023. Those estimates are below. Values, time to shine? Based on a multi-decade data analysis, John Buckingham, a value stock portfolio manager and editor of the Prudent Speculator newsletter, wrote in a note to clients on January 17 that although stocks in general perform better when the Fed is cutting interest rates, value has enjoyed terrific annualized returns, on average, when the Fed is tightening monetary policy. See this one-year chart through January 14 showing total returns, with dividends reinvested, for the SP 500 Index SPX and two overlapping subsets of the benchmark, the SP 500 Growth Index and the SP 500 Value Index. FactSet The Value Group has been the up-and-comer so far in 2022. Also of note, the yield on 10-year U.S. Treasury notes has increased to 1.84% from 1.52% on December 31 and 1.11% a year ago. Buckingham wrote, value stocks have a long way to go just to make it back to equilibrium with their more richly valued peers. This 20-year total return chart bears that out. FactSet the SP 500 Value Index has greatly underperformed the SP 500 Growth Index and the full SP 500 over the past 20 years, although growth's outperformance has been most pronounced during the pandemic. The first chart indicates investors' moods have been changing in favor of value recently, and the Fed's new anti-inflation stance, its first since the 1980s, might underline a real multi-year run for value. Another way to test Buckingham's statement is to look at relative forward price-to-earnings multiples for exchange-traded funds that track all three groups of large-cap stocks: ETF Ticker Forward P, E 20-year average forward P, E current valuation to 20-year average current valuation to SP 500 20-year average valuation to SP 500 SPDR Portfolio SP 500 Growth ETF SPYG. 26.24 18.75 140% 127% 121% SPDR Portfolio SP 500 Value ETF SPYV 17.03 13.35 128% 82% 86% SPDR SP 500 ETF Trust SPY 20.73 15.48 134% Source FactSet All three groups of stocks trade high on a forward P/E basis when compared to their 20-year averages. But the value group's forward P/E hasn't risen as much and it is still trading lower to the full SP 500's value than it has, on average, over the past 2 decades. Quite a bit depends on your own opinion. If you expect interest rates to rise significantly over the next couple of years, and for that to help lead to a real change in behavior among stock investors, it's value's time in the sun. Value surprise earnings power investors rightfully expect growth stocks to increase sales and earnings more quickly than value stocks. Looking at weighted aggregate consensus estimates for the ETFs, as calculated by FactSet, analysts expect the growth group to increase sales more quickly, as usual. But look at the earnings per share estimates: ETF Ticker Est EPS, 2021 EST EPS, 2022 EST EPS, 2023 EST EPS, 2024 EST EPS increase. 2022 2-year EST EPS CAGR SPDR Portfolio SP 500 Growth ETF SPYG $2.43, $2.61, $2.88, $3.23 7.4% 8.9% SPDR Portfolio SP 500 Value ETF SPYV $2.25, $2.49, $2.73, $2.92 10.7% 10.2% SPDR SP 500 ETF Trust SPY $20.47 $22.34 $24.53 $27 9.1% 9.5% Source FactSet The Value Group is expected to achieve the most rapid EPS increase this year, and to have the best 2-year compound annual growth rate for EPS through 2023. Value stock screen SP Dow Jones Indices breaks the full SP 500 into 2 growth and value subsets that are about the same size, and it comes to market capitalization, with about 34% of stocks falling into both groups, as described here. There are 239 stocks in the SP 500 Growth Index, and it is highly concentrated, with the 5 largest holdings of the SPDR SP 500 Growth ETF making up nearly 44% of the portfolio. The biggest holding is Apple Inc. AAPL, at 13.3%, followed by Microsoft Corp. MSFT at 11.4%, then Alphabet Incorporated S-Class A GOOGL and Class C GOOG shares at a combined 8%. Amazon.com Inc. AMZN is at 7%, and Tesla Inc. TSLA at 4.2%. There are 449 stocks in the SP 500 Value Index, and it is far less concentrated, with Berkshire Hathaway Inc. BRK the largest holding at 3.1% of the SPDR SP 500 Value ETF portfolio and the top 5 names making up 10.3%. Within the SP 500 Value Index, these 20 stocks have the most implied upside potential, based on consensus price targets, among those rated by, or the equivalent by at least 75% of analysts polled by FactSet, company ticker share by ratings closing price, January 14 consensus price target implied 12-month upside potential also in SP 500 Growth Index. Bath Body Works Inc. BBWI 85% $55.83 $90.39 62% Yes. Caesars Entertainment Inc. CZR 94% $82.84 $133.36 61% Yes. T-Mobile US Inc. TMUS 84% $108.52 $163.74 51% No. Catalent Inc. CTLT 93% $108.24 $160.42 48% Yes. PayPal Holdings Inc. PYPL 82% $178.42 $262.67 47% Yes. Bio-Rad Laboratories Incorporated Class A BIO 83% $628.23 $918.75 46% Yes. Match Group Inc. MTCH 75% $121.15 $172.63 42% No. Salesforce.com Inc. DRM 84% $231.23 $328.18 42% Yes. News Corp. Class A NWSA 88% $22.72 $31.91 40% No. Alaska Air Grouping. ALK 93% $55.79 $76.21 37% No. AES Corp. AES 92% $23.06 $30.55 32% No. Teledyne Technologies Inc. TDY 78% $420.48 $537.13 28% No. Quanta Services Inc. PWR 83% $106.64 $136.19 28% No. Laboratory Corp. Of America Holdings LH 89% $276.08 $351.08 27% Yes. Assurant Inc. AIZ 100% $154.89 $194.17 25% No. Visa Incorporated Class AV 86% $214.67 $269.08 25% Yes. Nike Incorporated Class B NKE 75% $148.18 $185.45 25% Yes. General Motors Company. GM 80% $61.10 $75.88 24% No. IQVIA Holdings Inc. IQV 90% $247.34 $305.24 23% Yes. Synopsys Inc. SNPS 88% $326.16 $401.13 23% Yes. Source FactSet. Click on the tickers for more about each company, including financials, estimates, and corporate profile. Then read Tommy Kilgore's detailed guide to the wealth of information available for free on the MarketWatch quote page. Note that 11 of the 20 are also included in the SP 500 Growth Index, as indicated on the table. News Corp. NWSA is the holding company of Dow Jones Company, which owns MarketWatch. Don't miss, these 3 ETFs let you play the hot semiconductor sector, where Nvidia, Micron, AMD, and others are growing sales rapidly.